Welcome to IQC Academy, your gateway to mastering quality management and business excellence. Based in the historic and vibrant city of Vienna, we are dedicated to advancing your professional journey through top-tier education and training. At IQC Academy, we understand the transformative power of knowledge. Our comprehensive courses, designed by leading experts, cover everything from the basics of quality management to advanced strategies in business excellence. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills, boost your career, or ensure your organization's success, our tailored programs are crafted to meet your needs. Our expert instructors bring real-world experience and insights, making learning both practical and impactful. Step into a world of opportunities with certifications that are recognized globally. From ISO standards training to specialized business improvement techniques, each course is designed to propel you towards excellence. Embrace the future of learning with our cutting-edge platform. Interactive, flexible, and user-friendly. IQC Academy connects you with a global network of professionals and experts, all from the comfort of your home or office. Join us at IQC Academy and transform your potential into excellence. Visit academy.iqc-vienna.com today and take the first step towards becoming a leader in quality management and business excellence. Because at IQC Academy, we don't just teach excellence, we define it.